Hi, I'm Christina Nalia and this is 3266 Firelane 10 in Port Colborne. This property is truly a nature lover's paradise. Over 2 acres, you have idyllic privacy in the back, with a massive deck that always has a sunny spot. And to the front, enjoy your deeded beach access to Cedar Bay Beach. Lake Erie offers a sandy beach, great for water sports and swimming, and it's very good for the kids or the grandkids. Love biking or hiking? The Friendship Trail is just that direction, not too far. Need extra space? Convert part of the garage into a buggy. Or add a second story over the master and enjoy lake views. The property size allows you to add accessory building or extension to the existing dwelling. Less than an hour and a half from Oakville, and access to all the Niagara amenities. Wineries, distilleries, amazing golf courses, the Niagara Falls and Buffalo. This property is a true gem, and I love it more and more every single time I visit.